Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In the previous video, we saw that why do we upcast our browser driver to the WebDriver. But in this video, we will see that why do we downcast our WebDriver object to the JavaScript executor. Right? Before we get into the exact reason, like whenever you create a browser object, right? When you are referring to the WebDriver, that time we are downcasting, or we do downcast our WebDriver object to the JavaScript executor in order to get the method of the JavaScript executor interface. To get into that, but we should understand some basic understanding of the WebDriver architecture. So this is, as we can see here, is the WebDriver architecture. Here we can see that we have the WebDriver interface, JavaScript interface, and the take screenshot interface. Unimplemented methods of the JavaScript executor, WebDriver, and take screenshot interfaces. Unimplemented methods are implemented in the remote WebDriver, and remote WebDriver extended by the all the browser driver like Chrome driver, FirefoxDriver, Edge driver, Opera, and Safari. Likewise, once you create a Chrome driver, for example, if you create a Chrome driver object, so this Chrome driver object can able to access all the methods of the JavaScript executor, WebDriver, and the take screenshot as it is extending the remote WebDriver. Okay, so if I observe here, so I have created a one property for Chrome driver. Here I created a Chrome driver object. Here I created an object for the Chrome driver, and this object is assigned to the Chrome driver itself. In that case, see, if you see this diagram, right? In that case, if you observe this diagram, if you create any object of Chrome driver, we can able to access. Suppose if you are trying to access execute script of the JavaScript executor interface, we can able to access through the Chrome driver object. That means, let me go back to the script. So if I go for this driver dot execute, see, I can able to find here execute script is available in the driver. We can able to access it. But the problem is, like, usually we won't create like this. While creating the object, usually we won't assign the driver object to the respective driver. The reason behind that I already explained in the previous video, like why we need to upcast our browser driver to the WebDriver object. Okay, that please, if you are not watched that, please go and watch that video so we'll understand. Usually we will assign all the browser object to the, we will take the reference, we will assign this object to the, by referring to the WebDriver. So in that case, what happens? Again, I will go back to the diagram. So if I have created a object for Chrome driver, but I am referring to the WebDriver. In that case, I can able to access only the methods which are available in the WebDriver. So if you observe here, let me show you, go back to the previous scenario again. So let me go back to the previous scenario. So in this case, if you observe carefully, like driver dot, you can able to find lot of methods available here, because it is having the access to all the parents class or interface methods can able to access through this driver, because we have assigned to the same respective driver only. But if I go for the WebDriver, see, in this time, if you go and click, there are very less number of methods available, because these all methods are coming from the WebDriver only. See, all methods are coming from WebDriver, because we are providing the reference to the WebDriver. So only WebDriver methods are able to see. Only WebDriver methods are able to see in this driver. So in that case, suppose if you want to access the JavaScript executor methods, for example, execute script. So in that time, we need to downcast it. So what we can do, see, while creating the JavaScript executor, right? So downcast it, because here JavaScript executor, I have downcasted this driver, this WebDriver object to the JavaScript executor. Then only I can able to find those methods. JS is equal to dot execute. See, only when I can able to find this execute method is available here. See, I can able to find those methods which are available in the execute script is available here. So the reason behind is, once we create a, see, usually what we do in the real-time scenario, usually we go for the WebDriver only. We are all the Chrome driver means any driver object if you create, you are assigning that object to the WebDriver only because customization because of the customizations, it is easy for us to select. Suppose we need to work on the multiple browser, that's why we are assigning this driver to we are providing the reference of this object to the WebDriver only. So once you are assigning this driver to the WebDriver, if you are trying to access the JavaScript executor method, it is directly not possible with this driver. That's why we are downcasting this driver object to the JavaScript executor. Then we can able to find the method which are available in the JavaScript executor. So this is what the basic understanding why we need to go for why we need to downcast the WebDriver object to the JavaScript. Hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you have any doubt, please put it in comment section. So let me revert back, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, those who are looking for the Selenium concept, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for further useful videos. Thank you.